Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps now. Install Visual Studio Code and add the live server or live preview extension. Open your project folder and locate index. HTML so the preview has an entry point. Once done, right-click the file or use the command palette to launch the preview. Make sure to save changes. Unsaved edits won't appear. This gets the server running, so you can iterate quickly and see code changes, reflected in real time. Next, configure and run the preview with deliberate settings. Open the command palette and choose Live Server or Live Preview to start the session. If you need a specific port or a different root folder, edit settings. JSON or use workspace settings so the server serves the correct files. Once started, enable auto-refresh and disable caching so your browser reflects edits instantly. Make sure extensions that block reloads are off. This avoids stale pages. This step ensures a stable, repeatable preview workflow. Finish by validating the preview and knowing how to recover if something breaks. Inspect DevTools for console errors, missing assets, or blocked requests. That tells you what to fix. If the preview doesn't load, make sure the port isn't blocked by a firewall and that workspace trust settings allow the server. Once done, disable other extensions temporarily to find conflicts. A quick restart of Vscode or changing the port usually resolves stubborn issues, so try those before deeper debugging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.